This video is for first year regular students who will give the exam in Jan 2022, semester 1. A few important points related to your online exam. The students must have good internet connectivity for the duration of the exam. You should make sure you have uninterrupted power supply throughout the exam. Make sure you have sufficient data with you for the duration of the exam. You should not switch from one window to the other window during the exam. If you do it multiple number of times, your exam will automatically get disconnected and the exam will stop. After that, you won't be able to log in to the exam. The browser that you should be using is Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome browser. These are the only two browsers that you should be using. iPhone users and iPad users, please make sure you are using Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome. Check your timetable properly and log into the exam as per the timetable declared. On the previous day of the exam, after 9 p.m., check if you can see the Start Test button. During the exam, if there is any problem with the network connectivity, you might get some message. Something went wrong. Do not panic. Close the browser, log out and log in again. All the questions that you have previously answered will be saved and you will start from the next question. Save your username and password in multiple devices. For example, if there are multiple devices in your house, then make sure that you are saving your password. If there's problem with the first device, then you can quickly, without wasting any time, log into the second device. All your answers which you have previously marked, they will be saved and you will start from a new question. During the exam, do not receive or make any phone calls. That will be termed as a copy case and your exam will be stopped at that moment and you won't be able to log into the exam. A shortcut for accessing the exam on the day of the exam, that is whenever you have paper on that day, you can see today's event on the dashboard. From there you can click and directly go to the exam section. Let me show you a quick demo for giving the Jan 2022 exam for first year regular students. You have to visit the website livestudent.deccansociety.org. This is the same website that you have used to take the admission. Using your username and password, you can sign in. See here in this particular section, today's event, you can see, but this you will see on the day of the exam. If you are checking on the previous day, then the steps are a little bit different that I'll show you. But on the day of the exam, if you want to check, then here itself you will get the shortcut. By clicking on this, it will directly take you to the test. On the previous day, if you want to check if you can see the Start Test button, you have to click on the ITLE e-learning, select course, then select the session October 2021 regular exam. Okay, this session has been created previously for all the first year and second year exams. So you have to select only one option will be there, October 2021. For the mock test, you can refer to the circular that has been given to you and click on the paper for which you want to give the test. So for the mock test, this is a biotech student, so he will click on societal awareness. BA students will click on foundation course or NCC. BCom students will click on foundation course or NCC, and BSc students will click on foundation course or NCC, and the self-finance courses will click on the paper number 1, whichever is paper 1 of your on your timetable that you have to click. To see the test button, you have to click on the My Test, and this is the demo that has been created for this particular special video session. The actual mock test is on the 24th of December. This particular session, that is demo, has been created specially for recording this video. You click on the Start Test button, read the instructions carefully, and click on I am ready to begin. It will ask you, you say OK, and it will come on a new window. If there is any pop-up blocker that you have installed, then please turn that off. I'm quickly showing you the various sections that are there. Here it will show you the time left. Usually you will get 1 hour. Just for demo purposes, I have kept here 2 hours 59 minutes, but the counter you can see it here. On the left hand side, you can see the question number, the question, and the 4 options that are there. On the right hand side, you can see the status, that is you are connected to the internet or not. Your photo will be visible, your name will be visible, and the number of questions. This is just a demo of general questions, so I'm just clicking and going ahead. There are 2 buttons which are important for you, the Save and Next button and the Review and Submit button. Okay, you select the option. Now I'm not reading the question, I'm directly answering. Save and Next, Save and Next, Save and Next, Save and Next. Now I have answered 5 questions. So here you can see that the green color is there. The questions which I have answered are saved, and the questions which I have not answered are in a light red color. I'll answer a few more questions. Save and Next, Save and Next, Save and Next. So this is your friend. Save and Next is your friend. Don't click on any other button. So click on the green button itself, and one more question I'll answer. So 10 questions are there. If you try to go from one window to the other, so like this, we will receive an alert. Please do not switch window while test is in progress. Doing so multiple times will terminate the test and you will not be able to get back to it. So students, please follow this rule and don't do any malpractice. For example, after answering a few questions, if you get any error, not the alert, if you get any error, if the internet connection is giving problem, you will get something like something went wrong. So don't panic, just close the browser window, refresh. By doing refresh, what you are doing, you are establishing a connection with the server again, and again click on the Start Test button. Click on I'm ready to begin. Okay. And as you can see, all the previously marked 10 questions have been saved. Now I will answer a few more questions. Question number 11. (17), 18, 19. I'm not reading the question, I'm just directly attempting this question. So 20 questions I've answered. And then also, if you find any other network error, some problem is there, okay, you can again, if any error message comes, something went wrong, don't worry, just close the browser. Even if you can log out also, there is no issue. Okay, I'll refresh the screen, sign in. Now I will use this. So if you are logging out and logging in again, so this is a shortcut key. So in the dashboard itself, today's event, you will be able to see this button. It will directly take you to this particular page. Click on Start Test. I'm ready to begin. Okay. So as you can see, all the 20 questions that I have previously saved are in green color. Save and Next. Save and Next. Save and next. Okay, now I'm on the last question and I click on save and next. Nothing will happen because all the questions I have answered. Now you can go back and check all your answers. And if you want to change any answer, you can, but make sure that you are saving that. I'm going to question number 15. I'm changing my answer and clicking on save. I'm going to question number 19, changing my answer and click. Unless you save, it will not get saved. Once you are finished with the test, you can click on the review and submit button. After you click on the review and submit button, your test will end. Keep these points in mind and don't panic and give your test with calm and cool mind. All the best, students. Thank you.